Most people get video conferencing apps wrong by assuming they all work the same, but VV Meeting brings some surprising differences worth knowing before you try it. Today, I'm sharing my honest experience so you can decide if it's right for you. VV Meeting is Tencent's answer to Zoom, offering both desktop and mobile apps. The setup is simple. You can schedule a meeting in seconds, share meeting links, and invite participants without them needing an account. Most people get this wrong by thinking registration is always required, but VV makes joining a meeting incredibly easy. The interface is clean and intuitive. You can start video calls, enable screen sharing, use whiteboards, and even record meetings. Audio and video quality are solid, with minimal lag on strong connections. One standout feature is real-time translation in some languages, which is ideal for international teams. Most people get this wrong by underestimating how important language support can be for global collaboration. Security is handled through password-protected meetings and optional waiting rooms. While it's generally secure, some enterprise-grade features like advanced encryption or admin controls are limited compared to Zoom or Microsoft Teams. A small downside I noticed is occasional instability on weaker connections, especially in large meetings. For small to medium teams, it works reliably. Customer support is decent, offering FAQs, email support, and online guides, but live chat can take a while to respond. In conclusion, VV Meeting is worth trying if you need a fast, user-friendly platform for video calls, especially for international or multi-language teams. Most people get conferencing apps wrong by assuming one size fits all, but VV stands out for accessibility and ease of use. Subscribe for more honest reviews on communication tools and productivity apps.